name is Ekoya, and I'm the creator and founder of Silky Sacks, and I'm here today to do an unboxing and a review of this Neesha 203. But before we get into it, there's a few things we got to do. Number one, I'm going to ask you, if this is your first time especially joining us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a video. We come to you every single Monday with wig reviews, hair tutorials, hair tips, lookbooks. So go ahead and subscribe. Why not? It's free. And if you're watching over on Facebook, we love you guys over there too. Thank you so much. Go ahead and give this video a like and a share, and then comment down below so that we will know that you were here. And both you guys, YouTube and Facebook, like and share and let me know, what do you think of Miss Neesha 203? How are you liking it? What do you think? Here at Silky Sacks, we love to send a shout out to all of our subs. I love my subs. Thank you guys so much for making 2019 such a great year. I'm so excited about this new year and the new decade. So today's shout out is going to Love Your Crowns. She's one of my Silky chicks. I love her so much. Thank you so much. She does wig reviews. She also does subscription box reviews. So if you're into subscription boxes and wigs, go ahead and check her channel out and tell her Silky Sacks sent you. Her link to her channel will be down in the description below. So like I was saying, you guys, before, it is a new decade, a new year, and unless you have been under a rock somewhere, but if you are serious about wigs and you're a wig addict like the rest of us, you have heard about these new Neesha series, Neesha 201, 202, and the 203, which I am going to be reviewing for you right now. So this wig was hard as hell to get a hold of. It kept selling out and selling out and selling out. It was, I would say, the biggest, most popular wig of 2019, if not the most. I mean, it definitely closed out the year with a bang. She was super hyped. There's a ton of reviews of this wig. It was hard as hell to get my hands on it, but I did finally get one from Sam's Beauty. I will put the link to it down below. I have it in the color Butterscotch. I still have not been able to land a 1B, but I want to do that. So Neesha 203 is the longest of the clique. If you're not familiar with Neesha, which I'm sure you are by now, but Neesha came out originally in 2016, and then just in 2019, right before the year ended, they dropped these Neesha collections. They come in beautiful colors. Here is the stock card. I have her in the DRFF2 Butterscotch, and here's the card. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. So here she is. She is a soft lace front wig. She can take heat up to, I think it was 400 degrees. Yes, she can take heat up to 400 degrees. She comes in a beautiful yaki textured, and it's layered here, and then the roots are dark, and then they go down for me in this butterscotch color into a blonde. I have been getting more into blondes. If you follow me, last month I reviewed a few blonde wigs and got a lot of great feedback from them, so I thought, hey, why not try to incorporate some more blonde wigs in the new year. So I am rocking her in the butterscotch. I will say though, I really do want this in 1B. I'm gonna have to stock again and see if I can get a hold of it. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Did you guys get you Neesha before they all sold out? What did you think of it? If you want to know what I think, if I'm buying into the hype, if I really love the Neesha wig, then just go ahead and continue to watch as we get into this unboxing and review. Alright, so here she is, you guys. I have the Neesha. This is the 203, and I got it in the color Butterscotch. You guys, I'm going to admit, I am nervous to open this up because this was all the rage at the end of 2019. And so I'm just hoping that I will slay it as well and that it will look as beautiful, because everything isn't for everybody, but I really, really wanted this particular color. Ooh, she's having a hard time coming out. And not only that, but this wig is super popular. I could not find it. I had to stock. Okay, it's not wanting to come out. Alright, you guys, here she is out. I hope I have an easier time putting her on than I did taking her out of the box, because that was crazy hard. So she has the center part, and the cap construction has the two combs here. Okay, where the comb? There we go. The 2 combs on the side, the adjustable straps and comb in the back. So here is the lace, and the lace is a little tinted already. And I am noticing, you guys, right off the bat, she does feel a little dry. I don't know if it's because of the color, but she is feeling a little dry. So let's put her on and see if this lays for me as well. Okay, so the lace is going from ear to ear, and getting little frizzies. So here she is close up. She is a lot of hair, you guys. I was not expecting it to be this thick. I mean, I know she was thick. I know the original Neesha is thick, but this one is thick too. I might go ahead and thin her out a little bit, but we will see. But I do like the color. I do like the color so far. The color is really pretty. And I love the layers in Neesha 203. That's one of the things I like the best about it, is that it's a longer one. Longer yaki natural style, you know, blowout style wig. We're going to go ahead and cut the lace off. We'll get to styling this G thing and come back and see what is my final verdict on Miss Neesha. Okay, you guys, so I'm back after styling Miss Neesha, and I have to say, you guys, when I first took the wig off and was cutting the lace off, I really didn't like it, and I was like, oh my God, I don't like it. I just think it was too much hair. And I did go in with my flat iron, my hot comb, and pressed it out, and then I liked it much better. I like thick hair, but for my face and for me, it was just too much. I wasn't feeling it. So I did go in, and I know, Is That Your Hair and I Fancy Cupcakes, Gladys and Brittany, I know they went in and did the same thing, and they went into a much better explanation of how they cut it. I just went ahead and parted the hair and then cut along the tracks, and I noticed that it did have some filler hairs in the top, probably to make it a little bit more volume at the top, but I didn't like that. So one thing that I forgot to do is show you guys the look, because I was so excited to get the wig, I forgot to do that. So let's do that. So let me show you. So this is Neesha 203 on the right. This is Miss Neesha 203 on the left, and then here she is in the back. And I'm 5'4", and so I'm guessing that this hair is probably, it's coming like right here in the front, right underneath my breast. So I'm guessing Miss Neesha is about 20, I would say around 26 to 28 inches long. So it is very long, and it is thick, because you know it is that yaki texture, so it is a lot of hair. So what I did, okay, so like I said earlier, I cut the lace off of Miss Neesha. I went ahead and put her on the right, because I'm a righty. Hey, I'm a righty. I love right side parts, so I shifted her to the right. You can wear her in the center. And then I noticed that the hair was a little dry. It is really soft, but it is a little dry. So I went in with my oil-free Bonafide natural wig spray, and so I sprayed it into my hands and then just rubbed it in there. And then because this is ear to ear, and the cap, you guys, is really big, so almost too big, so thick hair girls, big head girls, this wig is working for us. So I did go in and spray some of my Got To Be glued down to just hold it down. I didn't put on my wig, but if I wear this out, which I probably will, I will definitely put in the wig grip. Also, I went in and defined the part with some powder, and then I cut the little V here. And then I did notice that the lace is kind of an odd color. It's kind of a brown tint, but it's not really matching my skin. So I did go in with my foundation and just rub the powder. Now it said it had baby hairs on it. Unless I cut it off with the lace, I didn't really see a lot of baby hairs. You can go in and make baby hairs. I didn't because I have so much of my own hair, and here on the sides, that is my own baby hair. So I just slicked them and laid them down just in case this moves a little bit. Then you have that. Now, since the hair is layered, I didn't like the way the layers kind of were looking. So I just went in with my curling iron, as you can see, just put a little bit of a bump to those layers so that they're coming in and framing my face a little bit more. I didn't like how they were looking when it was just straight down. I know she has hers, you know, combed like back like this, and I probably should have did that. It probably would have been a little cuter, but I guess I can just bend it that way now. So now, you guys, I'm in love. I love it. After I did all of my styling steps, I do love Neesha 203. I do love this color, but I definitely want her in 1B. So yes, this wig did live up to the hype. I just had to go in and do a little bit of customization to get it to how I like it. But if you like thicker hair, this is a good thing. The only other thing I want to say about it is when I was brushing her out also and combing it, there was a lot of shedding, but I would expect that, especially with the synthetic and this blonde color. So of course, when I take this wig off, I'm not going to put it back into the plastic it came out of. I am going to put it into a Silky sack. A Silky sack is a luxurious silk lined bag that I designed to not only store your wigs but also give them longevity, help them last a little bit longer. The hair just glides along that silk lining, helping to keep them from drying out and getting so tangled and matted like they would do in plastic, right? It's why we wear bonnets and silk caps at night as opposed to shower caps. So I will put the link to silkysacks.com down in the description below if you would like to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, better care is better wear. See you Monday.